In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Salesforce. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your Slack desktop or web client. If you're using the web client, just head to slack.com and sign in. Once you're in Slack, look over to the left sidebar. You should see an area labeled Apps. Click on the three dots icon next to it to reveal more options. This is where we manage all our applications. Now choose Manage to access Slack's App Management view. This is where we can discover new apps or manage existing ones. Next up, select Browse Apps. This will take you to the Slack app directory, where you can find a variety of integrations, including Salesforce. In the search bar at the top of the app directory, type in Salesforce. Once the results load, look for Salesforce Automation's Legacy and click on it. This will take you to the app page. To proceed, choose Open in Slack Marketplace. You can also type Salesforce in the Marketplace search field again and click on See All Results for Salesforce to make sure you're getting the right app. After that, open Salesforce Automation's Legacy one more time. Now we're ready to install the app to your workspace. Before proceeding, if you want to understand how the app works, you can review the description, features, permissions, and security and compliance tabs on the page. This is optional, but it's a good idea to know what you're allowing into your workspace. When you feel ready, click Add to Slack. Now you'll need to select the correct workspace. Make sure you use the workspace picker to confirm whether you're targeting your production or sandbox environment. This is important as it determines where your Salesforce data will be integrated. Once you've selected your environment, click Allow to confirm permissions and finalize the installation into your workspace. Take a breath. You're doing great so far. Now that Slack has completed the installation, you should see a Salesforce connection screen. You'll notice there are two primary routing options available to you. The first option, which is the most common for teams, is to click Connect through a Salesforce org. This is where you'll sign into your Salesforce environment. Remember to choose either Production or Sandbox, depending on what you selected earlier. After signing in, you'll be prompted to grant access. This allows Slack to post updates and surface records directly into your Slack channels. Simply follow the prompts to allow this connection. If, on the other hand, your company uses Experience Cloud, you can choose the second option, which is Connect through a digital experience site. This route will authorize the app through the specific portal context that your organization uses. And there you have it. Once you've authorized the connection, your Slack workspace is now connected to Salesforce. You can access CRM insights and automations directly within your Slack channels. It's a powerful integration that will help keep your team organized and informed. Thanks for sticking with me through this integration process. I hope you're now well on your way to streamlining your communication between Slack and Salesforce.